48, question 21. Steph scored 15 baskets out of 20 attempts in the first half of a game, and 10 baskets out of 10 attempts in the second half. Candace took 12 attempts in the first half and 18 attempts in the second. In each half, Steph scored a higher percentage of baskets than Candace. Surprisingly, they ended with the same overall percentage of baskets scored. How many more baskets did Candice score in the second half than in the first? So one thing to be careful about for this question is to be very clear on what the question is asking for. They're asking you, take Candace. How many more baskets did Candace score in the second half than in the first? So make sure you underline that and keep that in your mind. All right, so very nicely, this question actually give us a picture to summarize the information. So Steph, first half, 15 over 20, which is 75%, and second half, 100%. Altogether, so you can add overall, you get 25 over 30. Now, for Candace, we don't know how many. So I would say in the first half, X out of 12, and second half, Y out of 18. Overall is going to be X plus Y over 30. Now, they were saying overall the percentage is the same between Steph and Candace. And very nicely, they have the same amount of total attempts. Both are 30. So we have X plus Y equal to 25. Now let's check the other requirement, which is for each half, Steph has a higher percentage than Candace. Second half is easy because Steph is 100%, so we only need to make sure Y is less than 18. For the first half, we need to get a little bit of calculation because what we need is X over 12 needs to be less than 15 over 20. And 15 over 20 is 3 over 4, so then you can find X is less than 9. X is less than 9, Y is less than 18, and X plus Y has to be 25. You will see the largest value for Y is 17, and the largest value for X is 8, and that is the only way to make it work. So we have X equal to 8, Y equal to 17. Now, be very careful. They are asking you, how many more did Candace score in the second half than the first? So the answer is Y minus X. 17 minus 8 equal to 9. Answer is C.